Axiom is by far the best trading platform on the market right now for trading meme coins. It's what I use, it's what most people use, it's the platform doing the most volume, and for very good reason. They keep bringing awesome updates and improving their platform every single week. Most recently, they added all of these additional features to their platform. So today I'm going to cover everything you need to know to start trading and utilizing Axiom Pro to the limit so you can start making loads of money from meme coins. So first of all, you obviously need to sign up. I will leave a link to the platform down below. You can get less trading fees on their platform if you use my link, and it helps support the channel. And after you do sign up, what I recommend you to do is just to trade 5 Solana worth of tokens. You can just watch trade, buy and sell 0.5 Solana like 5 times, for example, and you will achieve this. And this is because that's when you unlock all of their features. For example, to use their Twitter tracker, this is a requirement. And once this is done, you can start properly. So this is what their home platform looks like. This is where you can see trending tokens. You also have deck screener tokens, but you're probably more interested in the pulse section because this is where you can see all new tokens launching from platforms like Pump Fun, Launch Lab, Bonk, Boop, Launch a Coin, Moonshot, Radium, etc. They have support for basically every single platform. You can obviously also put filters, for example, how long they've gotten in their bonding curve. You can use keywords to only show tokens with certain words in them. You can do liquidity, volume, market cap, etc. Everything you have in mind, you can use as a filter to only see the tokens in your specific parameter or that you want to trade. Then you have final stretch. These are the tokens about to migrate that you can snipe as soon as they migrate right here. And you have the tokens that just migrated. You obviously can put filters on these as well. You can edit your quick buy options in here as well as your presets for slippage. You can have 3 different presets. It's also incredibly customizable. For example, if you want to use a Twitter tracker, it will probably show up like this and you can drag and drop wherever. You can pin it to the left-hand side like this, for example. You can do the same with your wallet tracker. You can also bring your PNL tracker up like this. In the bottom right corner, you can also change the color theme if you want to use different colors. I have chosen pink. I just like that aesthetic. If we go to display, you can choose small buttons, large button, or mega buttons. This mega option is new, so I've been using these ones which are big, but if I change that to mega, you can see that they're way bigger, makes it way easier to click the button, less likely to misclick, etc. So this is also pretty cool. You can have small metrics or large. You can remove all the metrics you don't want or add them, whatever you prefer. It's just by far the most customizable platform out there, which makes it great for anyone because you can set it up however you like. Now, if I go into any of these tokens, this is what it looks like. So you obviously have the chart. This is a bad token to show you because it's about to rug, it seems. Let's do this one instead. So you obviously have the chart. Everything is super quick, super responsive. It's also one of the quickest platforms in general when it comes to transaction speeds. You have your buy and sells right here, but if you're a professional trader, what you really want is this instant trade. You can bring this up right here. You can expand it to get more buy and sell options, or you can lower it like I just had it. Then you have different presets for slippage, etc. again, and you can quick buy into any token. If I click purchase, there you go, bought into the token, and I can sell 100% right away. You have your token information on the right hand side. You also have all of the trades. You have the holders with a bubble maps included, which is really cool. So here you can see all of the clusters. You can click onto the different clusters. You can see that this cluster holds 7%. If you don't know what a cluster is, it's just multiple different wallets that are all connected or linked. So if you see a token with just one big cluster, it means that it's probably just one guy that has divided the entire supply into hundreds of different wallets, but they're all linked on chain, and that is what this cluster map is showing you. And then you can also see top traders. You can go into detail on every single wallet. So here you have activity, performance, PNL, the current balance, you have the wallet address. I'm really hoping they will add a copy trading feature eventually, but I do think that will happen. You can also save the wallet, so you can just add it to your wallet tracker right here or name it right here to do the same thing. If we go on to trackers, this is what it looks like. So this is where you have your wallet tracker as well as your Twitter tracker. You can customize your own feed. You can add whatever handles you want. and then they will show up in your tracker. You also have your wallet manager, so these are the wallets I have, and you can see all the live trades from these wallets. Right now I'm not tracking any wallets that have done trades in the last week. These are pretty old wallets and I don't really use a wallet tracker that often, but it is a really cool feature and it can be very beneficial if you use it correctly. Now, another super cool thing is that they have added perpetuals into their platform. This means that you can leverage long or short any token, up to 40x leverage. So this is just like using any regular exchange, just that you can do it just from your Phantom wallet or your Axiom wallet instead. So you have all of these different tokens, you have a bunch of tokens to choose from, which is really cool. This is something that I haven't seen on any other good meme coin trading platform, so this is really cool to see. They will also be coming out with yield soon, so you can just stake your Solana or USDC and earn yield from your portfolio. Then you have your portfolio section right here. Right now I'm currently not holding anything, haven't been trading much these last couple of days. And in the bottom right corner you can also choose your server from Asia, EU West, EU West, EU Central, EU East, or US West, US East, etc. to make sure you have the best connection possible, which again leads to the transactions just going through super rapidly. Now, I just wanted to make a super quick tutorial or summary of basically everything you need to know about Axiom and how to get started, because I did make an Axiom tutorial a few months ago, but it's already outdated because they keep bringing so many cool upgrades to the platform that weren't there the first time I made an Axiom video, so I had to make an updated version to make sure I included all of their new cool features. So like I said, if you got any value from this video and you want to sign up with Axiom and get less fees on their platform, I would highly appreciate it if you used my link down below to sign up. Let me know what you think of Axiom. Let me know if there is a different trading platform that you do prefer so that I can check it out for myself, potentially make a video on that as well. But with that said, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.